She thought the problem was the number on the scale. But what really bothered her was that part of her back that never seemed to change, no matter how much weight she lost. The folds near the bra, the way clothes fit poorly, the discomfort with her reflection. And the worst part? No one seemed to understand, until she found a different path, one that felt light, real, and doable. Over 95% of women who tried this new approach noticed their backs getting more defined, even without extreme diets or heavy workouts. And that change went far beyond the mirror. Posture improved, shoulder pain eased, confidence bloomed. Because when you activate your back, you activate a deeper strength, the kind that makes you feel alive, beautiful, and in control. In this video, you'll understand why this part of your body is often ignored, and why it holds the key to true transformation. You'll discover what actually works to slim, tone, and empower this area, backed by science and shaped by real-life stories. And maybe, for the first time, you'll start treating your body with the respect it always deserved. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. What no one tells you about back fat. Have you ever put on a blouse, looked in the mirror, and felt uncomfortable seeing folds on your back? It might seem small, but for many women, it hits hard, like a reminder that something isn't right. And it's not just about looks. It's the shame, the urge to hide, the quiet frustration of not fitting the mold. Most women try to fix it with diets, workouts, shapewear. But few ever talk about what really causes this fat to build up. Back. Fat is more complex than just eating too much. It's often tied to silent inflammation, hormonal shifts, chronic stress, and overlooked daily habits. It's not just about what you eat. It's how your body reacts to stress, sleep, and tension. Poor posture, restless nights, and lack of activation in that area only make it worse. That's why it lingers even when the scale goes down. Here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. It's doing its best to protect you, even if it doesn't feel like it. When you stop fighting your body and start listening to it, everything changes. Not magically, but intentionally. And that's exactly what you'll learn today: how to make your body your partner, not your enemy. Why diets won't slim your back, and what actually works. Have you ever lost weight, but those stubborn back rolls never went away? It's discouraging to follow a meal plan, see the scale drop, but still feel like your body hasn't changed. And you start asking yourself, am I doing something wrong? The truth is, most traditional diets don't target areas like the back, because they focus on weight, not shape, not muscle, not balance. To reduce back fat, you need more than a calorie deficit. You need to combine strategic eating with specific movements that wake up those sleepy muscles. And no, you don't need a gym. Gentle posture work, light stretches, and even breathing exercises can do wonders. Add in anti-inflammatory foods and your body starts to respond, from the inside out. What truly works is a plan that understands the female body, that respects your hormones, your stress, your pace. When you pair the right food with the right kind of activation, your back starts to shift. It looks firmer, feels lighter, and supports your whole posture. Stay with me. The next tip is simple, effective, and takes just minutes a day. The 4-minute move that activates your back and improves posture. Think about how your posture changes when you're feeling good. Shoulders open, head high, presence strong. Now imagine getting that feeling in just 4 minutes a day. It's not magic, it's muscle activation. This simple movement, done at home, targets the back muscles, improves blood flow, and creates that satisfying sense of firmness. Women everywhere are discovering this move because it works, and it fits into real life. You use your own body weight to engage those tricky areas: mid-back, bra line, upper shoulder blades. Over time, it sculpts the back and brings the spine into better alignment. And with better posture, your whole silhouette changes. No gym, no equipment needed. You don't have to be fit. You don't have to be perfect. You just need consistency and the right guidance. And I'll show you exactly how to do this movement at the end of this video. Because the body responds to intention, not intensity. And 4 minutes might be the spark that changes everything. Foods that target back fat, and you had no idea. Most women believe burning back fat means sweating like crazy. But food can be even more powerful than exercise, especially in this specific area. Certain foods kickstart your metabolism, calm inflammation, and guide your body to burn fat in forgotten places like your back. And the best part? You can begin today without starving yourself. Foods like turmeric, green tea, ginger, and cinnamon are natural thermogenics. Pair them with clean proteins like eggs or chickpeas and fiber-rich ingredients like psyllium or chia, and you create a powerful combo: full-body nourishment with fat-burning precision. This combo helps your body use fat for energy instead of storage. It's smart, not extreme. And no, you don't need a total diet overhaul. Just small swaps, like a warm cinnamon tea at night or a turmeric lemon morning shot, can start the shift. At the end of this video, I'll give you an easy, delicious recipe you can make today. Because your body doesn't need punishment, it needs direction, and food can be your greatest ally. The truth about self-esteem and a toned back. This isn't just about losing weight. When your back starts to look and feel firmer, your posture changes, and something inside you shifts too. Suddenly, clothes fit better. The mirror isn't so scary. You start standing taller, not just physically, but emotionally. A defined back isn't just a fitness goal. It's a silent sign of confidence. People around you notice it. But more importantly, you feel it. You walk into rooms with more presence. You show up for yourself in a different way. And what started as a visual goal becomes a full-body transformation. Because the more aligned your back becomes, the more aligned your life starts to feel. And if you've made it this far, you're already proving to yourself that you're ready. You don't need to be perfect, just present. With small daily shifts, your body will begin to change, and you'll feel stronger, freer, and more in tune with who you really are. So don't stop now. Keep choosing you. Your body responds to love, not punishment. If you're still here, you've already taken the most powerful step, choosing to care for yourself in a new way. Now you know that a defined back doesn't come from suffering. It comes from smart, sustainable action. You've learned the moves, the foods, the mindset, and now it's time to put them into motion. Your journey doesn't need to be flawless, now it needs to be yours. Every woman moves at her own pace. And when you honor that, results follow. Your body starts to show you love in return. You carry yourself differently. You feel lighter, brighter, bolder. And all because you started showing up for yourself. If this video helped you, share it with another woman who needs to hear this message. Subscribe for more real strategies, built for real women, with real bodies. Because you don't need more pressure, you need more support. And that's what we're building together, one video at a time.